Hi, besties. If you're looking for ways to make money online just by chatting and video calling with people, then you are in the right
place.
yeah. This is legit. All right. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a new trending video chatting app called Sela Life, where you will meet people from different parts of the world. You will earn money just by video chatting with people, especially foreigners. Yes, you had me very well. This app is one of the best apps for now in terms of video calling and chatting with people all over the world. Their interface is very fine, it's very good. So for you to get started on this app, just click the link at my description or at my comment section. It will take you straight to this interface. Once you're here, copy the invitation code. Copy it first before you download, then you tap download. Once you tap download, something like this will pop up. Pro version only for women, public version for everyone. So if you're a woman, if you're a lady watching this video, you will tap on pro version. All right. If you're a man, tap on public version because men also works on this app. Yes, there are so many ways that you can also make money on the app. It's not only women. All right. Once you tap it, it will take you straight to where to download it. It is not on Play Store. For some of you that will rush to Play Store now to go and download it, it is not. You cannot download this app without using my link. It is not on Play Store. So don't even think of going to Play Store to look for it. It is not there. It is only getting through this way. All right. So once you tap it, it will tell you to install. So install it, and at the process of installing it, it might tell you that the file contains whatever. Continue to install it. All right. So after installing it, you open it either with your. It will show you the things that you can use to open it. I don't want to. I've already downloaded it. I don't want to download it again. So it will show you where you will install it, how you will install it. All right, just follow the in screen. You will know how to install it. So after installing it, the next thing is,
Log in with your Google account.
so it will take you to interface like this. This is my home page. All right, for you, if you download it, you will not see people like this. All right, this place will be blank. Why you're seeing this place now is because I have reached level 2. So if you're in level 0, your interface will not be like this. It will be covered. So this is where to match your call. This is where you can see your messages. All right, so this is your interface. Once you come here, you tap this arrow to put your profile picture, edit your nickname, your date of birth, you put your bio, and you put your tags. So this is the preview. So after doing it, you come back to this interface. So here is the statistics today, how much you earn today. Here is where you find it. This place now you are seeing 7,734. Once you tap it, it will take you straight to this interface where you can withdraw. This app is self withdrawal. You don't need agent to withdraw for you. And this app, you can do anything for yourself. The only thing you need to do for me is just to use my invitation code to register on this app. All right. So make sure you use invitation code and register so that you'll be able to withdraw your money, so that you'll be able to see this interface. I don't talk. Then here is where you can bind your account. Yes, why it's showing like this is because of the country I am living. So once I tap this place now, countries will pop up. So when I meet my withdrawal threshold now, I will search for Nigeria so that I can put my local bank account. All right, Nigeria is also here. So you can look for your own country. You just search for the countries here. You'll see your own country, so that if you want to withdraw your money to your local bank account, you can do so. So as you can see, Nigeria. So if you have USDT, you can use USDT to withdraw. If you want to use your local bank account, you can use your local bank account. All right. So that's by the way for this side. So where to see your tax is this place, the right daily reward. You tap it, you see your newcomer reward. So these are the tasks you need to perform. All right. Upload photos, make call that will last for 5 minutes, stay in the match pond, then you receive. These are the ones that I've claimed and the ones that have not finished. So these are the numbers of match calls you need to receive in a day. All right. So these are the small tasks that you can also do to add to your to add to your coins. Okay, apart from receiving call as a lady, receiving or chatting with people. So you can as well perform this task here to earn more. All right. So this is bill details is how you generate money. Okay, you is listed here. This one is consumption, how you consume your money, your coins, and this one is earning. All right. So this one is where you can invite people. Yeah, once you tap here, you will see your own invitation code and you share. Once you tap share, now you copy the link and share to your friends, your loved ones. Okay. So this one is system setting, help and feedback. So these are where you find seller policy. Anything that you want to know, is it about host policy, invitation reward policy, regulations, about matching call, about private calls, about video calls, about gifts, about making much money, about your withdrawal, whatever that you want to ask concerning this app, just come here and ask the question. So about making much money here, over 75% of match calls come from paying users. So use your charm as a woman and have a good communications to keep calls over 20 seconds to boost your income. The longer your calls, the more calls the system will send you, more people to call, giving you more chances. So after each call, continue chatting with people to build connection and encourage them to spend, yeah, to call you back. All right. Calls lasting over 60 seconds shows that the user is interested. So make sure that once someone call you, at least you greet the person. Hi, my name is this. You ask him his name. You know, be cheerful, have a bright face, don't squeeze your face, and make sure that you look good. You understand? Look good. Focus on your caller. Don't be cooking and you're answering call. Don't be watching movie and you're answering call. No, or be pressing phone and answering call. No, it will make the user to look as if you're not interested in the call. So once you get a call, focus on that person. And for you to get enough call, you need to spend time on the app, at least 1 to 2 hours for you to get enough call on the app. All right. So once they call you, see, you say hi to them, expand your circle and create more ways to earn. All right. So another way to earn is by inviting your close friends. So those that are interested on the app, you invite them. All right. So when they register and do their face authentication, you also earn. All right. So any other question you want about the app, just come here and answer the question and ask. So the question will be answered. All right. So make sure that the call will last for more than 20 seconds. Okay, it's very, very important. If you receive calls too much, that is not more than 20 seconds, they might log you out from the app or even ban your account. Yeah, I know someone that experienced it. She received 3 calls immediately that was not up to 20 seconds, and they ban her account. So make sure you try your best so that they will not ban your account. All right. Make sure that the call will last more than 20 seconds and you people can talk longer. All right. So make sure that you hold the conversation. Some of them doesn't speak English, they speak their own language. So you just find ways to entertain them, maybe dancing, you know, doing playing. Make sure that you do one or three or two that will help to keep them to talk to you. Even if you're dancing, they might that your dance will make them to stay long to watch you. All right. So it is self withdrawal. You don't need any agent to withdraw for you. You will withdraw your money by yourself. So here is where to find your messages. Here is where to match mode. Yeah. Once I turn this thing on now, it will start matching. So any call that comes here now, it will pick automatically by itself. And one thing about this, you might even put this match mode on. When you put it on like this, you might even go out from the app. You also receive call. So that's one thing about it. Or if you just leave this side now, tap this side, that place is on. So call can come at any time. All right. Like I said before, once you go out from level 0 to level 1, you will start seeing people here. So if you register it newly, you'll not see people in this interface. So that place they say like 50 users. This is where you come and like the users. This place now, I've liked the person. So that's how to do it. Yeah. Any other thing? I don't think. So if you want to invite friends, this is where you tap to invite your friends. Yeah, I've touched that place. So this is your gift show, the gift that you love people to give to you. So if you tap it, you will see many gifts. So you can select any gift that you want people to give to you. All right. So that's it. After you save it. So here you can post your moment. Or any other thing? No. So without further ado, let's call it a day. If this is the first time I'm coming across my video, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. This channel is all about bringing value to you, how to make money online. Mind you, I am not a financial advisor and I am not affiliating with Sela App. It's just educational purpose, educational content. All right. So tell me where you're watching me from. From Brazil, Morocco, Sri Lanka, Egypt, Germany, US, Australia, Canada. Anywhere you're watching me from, please let me know at the comment section so that in my next video I'll give you a shout out. All right, guys. Bye. See you all in my next video.